How's it going, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you a simulated drag race between a Tesla Model 3 Performance and a Porsche Taycan 4S. On the screen you can see a side-by-side comparison, and the simulation I'm going to show you takes into account rolling resistance, air resistance, gearing, so gear ratios, final drive ratios, traction, power curves, and weight of the car, obviously. So we can see in the quarter mile that the Tesla won the race despite the Porsche having a higher trap speed. Once the Porsche gets into that second gear, it really pulls a lot more up top in the higher speeds. So now I'm going to show you guys a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, and yeah, let's see if the Porsche is indeed faster. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe. There's going to be more stuff like this coming out. I'm just trying to figure out the best format to show it. If you want to check out the simulation, you can at motormatchup.com. You can race these two cars or any other cars that you want to see in a head-to-head drag race. I plan to make a full video series about where these numbers are coming from and all the calculations behind the simulation, just to give you guys more clarity. Yeah, I hope you guys have a good one.